Imagine a shark with teeth on its forehead, not to eat, but to flirt. Meet the ghost shark, the deep-sea oddball whose love life depends on a head full of teeth. Yes, you heard that right. This fish grows a retractable spiky rod right out of its skull, just for romance. Male ghost sharks have what scientists call a tenaculum, a bony forehead rod lined with real teeth. When it's time to mate, this tool swings into action, gripping the female like a grappling hook. In the pitch-black, high-pressure world of the deep ocean, it's like having a biological seatbelt to make sure you don't lose your partner. Other sharks? They bite their mates with regular jaws. But ghost sharks? They've upgraded with a third hand on their head. Think of it like Velcro on your forehead, or maybe the world's strangest dating app feature. Evolution doesn't swipe left, it just tinkers until something works. This isn't just a curiosity. It shows how evolution can take the same genes that make chewing teeth and redeploy them somewhere totally new. Proof that nature's most bizarre love stories are written in DNA. So next time someone tells you they've got a big head, remember the ghost shark and hit like, share, and subscribe if you want more.